Thank you. I thank the Honourable Wadea for that question in terms of the road from Tawake to Wainika in the Udu Peninsula. So that's part of our rural roads program in terms of the program of FRE. As of now, there have been progress in terms of the survey works. It is about 10 kilometers within the Tikin of Tawake, the Konrove, and currently progressing with the final design, including the alignment details, etc. So there are also due diligence processes to be undertaken in terms of the lands, environment, and also social safeguard requirements before the project begins. So it's crucial that these are all covered in order that the project progresses smoothly and meets the needs of the community, of course, with their input into the project. So in terms of the design, as I mentioned, we're looking at the completion of the complete design and technical specifications, the due diligence, as I mentioned, and also a tentative budget. It is not in the current budget, but once that work is complete, we envisage to include that in the budget for 2025-26. Thank you.